exploring the delicious world of Eggs Benedict. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a tasty topic that might just make your mouth water: Eggs Benedict. This classic dish is not only a staple on brunch menus around the world, but it's also a great example of how English can be flavorful. Eggs Benedict is a traditional American breakfast or brunch dish that consists of two halves of an English muffin, each topped with Canadian bacon, a poached egg, and hollandaise sauce. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that has been tantalizing taste buds since the 19th century. The name, Eggs Benedict, is as intriguing as the dish itself. While the exact origins are a bit murky, it is believed to be named after a person, possibly a retired Wall Street stockbroker named Lemuel Benedict. Others claim it was named after Pope Benedict XIII. The mystery adds to its charm. Like many classic dishes, Eggs Benedict has inspired numerous variations. Some swap out the Canadian bacon for smoked salmon, known as eggs royale, or for spinach, turning it into eggs Florentine. The possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. Making Eggs Benedict may seem daunting, but it's a great way to practice your English cooking vocabulary. The key components are English muffin, a small, round, and soft bread, split and toasted. Canadian bacon, a type of back bacon that's cured and smoked. Poached eggs, eggs that have been cooked in water without their shell. Hollandaise sauce, a rich sauce made from butter, egg yolks, lemon juice, and a dash of cayenne. Eggs Benedict is more than just a meal, it's a part of American culinary culture. Often associated with leisurely weekend brunches and special occasions, it represents a time to relax, indulge, and enjoy good company. We hope you've enjoyed learning about Eggs Benedict as much as we've enjoyed talking about it. Remember, language learning can be as enjoyable as savoring your favorite dish. Until next time, keep exploring and tasting the richness of the English language.